Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to gikstudy, and today in this video I'm going to show you and I'm going to review this book, Cengage Inorganic Chemistry for JEE Advanced Part 1, Case Verma by Case Verma. Okay, so right here we also have the DPP which we get with this book. Okay, now let's see the book first. Okay, so let's see the contents. Right here, the first chapter is periodic classification of elements and general inorganic chemistry. Okay. The second chapter is right here, chemical bonding and molecular structure. And then the third chapter is hydrogen, water, and hydrogen peroxide. Then chapter 4 is S block group 1 elements, alkali metals. Then chapter 5 S block group 2 elements, alkaline earth metals. Then right here we have chapter 6 P block group 13 elements, the boron family. Then chapter 7 P block group 14 elements, the carbon family. And then these solutions. Okay, then solutions of the exercises and the concept application exercise of chapter 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. And then appendix chapter wise of JEE main questions, 2019 questions 16 sets. Then appendix 2 chapter wise of JEE main January 2020 questions 6 sets. Then appendix 3 JEE advanced 2019 solved questions. Okay. Now here's the chapter 1, periodic classification of elements and general inorganic chemistry. Now at the first of the chapter, okay, first you can see the overview of the chapter. Okay, right here you can see the overview. Right here it's kind of summary, you can say, or the overview, just an overview of the full chapter. Okay. Then here's the introduction, and then all the concepts or the theories you can see right here. You can see right here some theories, and now some illustrations, one illustration, and then again some theory, then some illustrations right here. Okay, now again some theories, you can see right here, then illustrations, and then theories and illustrations right here, and then you can find concept application exercise 1.1 right here, you can see. Okay, and then again some theories. Okay, now here you can see some illustrations again, then again some theories and illustrations, again some theories and illustrations. Okay, and then right here, here's again some theories and illustrations, and some theories and illustrations right here, and here's some illustrations. Okay, it's a pretty long chapter right here. Now here's the solved examples. Okay, right here, solved examples. After all of these theories and illustrations and concept application exercise, you can find solved examples right here. There are many examples, solved examples. Okay, then right here the exercises, here are several questions you can find, like the single correct answer type questions, then multiple correct answer type questions, right here multiple correct answers type questions, and then linked comprehension type questions, then matrix match type questions. Where is that? Yeah, right here, matrix match type questions, then numerical value type questions right here. And then archives right here, you can find JEE main questions and JEE advanced questions. Here you can see JEE main single correct answer type questions right here, and then JEE advanced questions, so single correct answer type and multiple correct answers type question, and then the answers key. Okay, so in this chapter, first you can see the overview, then some theories, illustrations, again some theories, illustrations, it can repeat, and then you can find concept application exercise, again some theories and illustrations, illustration, it can repeat, then again concept application exercise, then again some theories, illustrations, illustration, and concept application exercise. Then you can find the solved examples at the end of the chapter, and then you can find the exercises right there. You can find several types of questions, like single correct answer type questions, multiple correct answer type questions, linked comprehension type questions, matrix match type questions, and numerical value type questions. And then you can find the archives right there. You can find JEE main questions and JEE advanced questions. Okay, and in the JEE main questions, you know that there is single correct answer type questions, and in the JEE advanced questions. Right there you can find the single correct answer type question, multiple correct answer type questions. Okay, sometimes in some chapters you can find the linked comprehension type questions. In some chapters you can find the matrix match type questions, and also the numerical value type questions. Okay, now then you can find the answers key. Okay, now right here, just 1 minute. Yeah, right here you can find the answers key. Here you can see, and if you want to know the answers, okay, of how the solutions of these concept application exercise, and also the archives and the exercises, you can find it at the end of the book. Okay, right here in the solutions section. Okay, right here in the solutions section, here it's also chapter wise solutions. Okay, right here, let me just turn the page. Chapter 1. Yeah, chapter 1. Okay, solutions. Okay, concept application exercises. These are solutions of exercise 1.1. Then exercise right here, here, so you can see is the solutions of the exercise. Okay, single correct answer type questions, and also the solutions of the archives. Let me just turn the pages. Right here, the solutions of the archives. Right here you can see JEE main single correct answer type questions right here, and then right here JEE advanced questions, single correct answer type questions, and multiple correct answer type questions. Okay, now let's move to the chapter 2. Right here we have the chapter 2, chemical bonding and molecular structure. First you can see the overview, and then right here the theories. You can see right here it starts. Okay, now here's some theories, and after some pages you can see right here some illustrations, and again some theories and illustrations you can repeat again and again. Okay, now theories and illustrations. Right here some right here some in some places you can see there's some notes, okay, for the previous chapters also, and some also notes right here, here. Okay, now some, okay, and right here again some theories and illustrations, and then concept application exercise 2.1. Okay, so right here concept application exercise 2.1, and here's the answers. And right here some theories and illustrations again can be repeated, and right here you can see that here's the solved examples right here. So right here you can see the solved examples right here, and there are many solved examples you can see right here. And then let's turn the pages. Right here the exercises. Okay, like the previous chapter, right here you can find the several types of questions, like single correct answer type questions, then multiple correct answer type questions, linked comprehension type questions, and matrix match type questions. Okay, and then you can find the archives. Okay, right here, and in the archives you can find the JEE main and advanced questions. Like here's the JEE main questions, single correct answer type questions, and the JEE advanced questions, single correct answer type questions, multiple correct answer type questions, then matrix match type questions, and numerical value type questions. Okay, and the answers key. And like I told you before, you can find these solutions right in the solutions sections. Okay, now chapter 3, hydrogen, water, and hydrogen peroxide. Overview. First overview, then some theories and illustrations, and then concept application exercise. And after the concept application exercise, you can find again some theories and illustrations, again some concept of theories and illustrations, and again concept application exercise. Okay, now you can find the solve examples, and after that you can find the exercises. Right there you can find several types of questions, like single correct answer type questions, multiple correct answer type questions, linked comprehension type questions, matrix match type questions, and numerical value type questions. And then you can find the archives. Right here you can find several types of questions, like type questions there were those which were asked in the JEE main and advanced questions. Okay, like right here single correct answer type questions asking the JEE main questions, and the question from JEE advanced single correct answer type question, and multiple correct answers type questions, and then answers key. And like I told you before, you can find the solutions right here in the solutions section. Okay, now chapter 4 is block group 1, elements, alkali metals. First overview, then theories, illustrations. Okay, then concept application exercise, and again here it can be repeats, theories and illustrations. Okay, and then solved examples, like right here. Here's the solved examples you can see right here, and then exercises. And after the exercises, right here, you can see the archives and then answers key. Okay, now chapter 5 is block group 2 elements, alkaline earth metals. Okay, overview. Okay, now after the overview, theories, theories and illustrations, then concept application exercise. Okay, and after that, again some theories and illustrations, then again concept application exercise. Okay, then here's the solved examples right here. Okay, now some solved examples, then exercises, then right here, here's the, let me just check, here's the exercises, and here's the archives. Okay, here's the archives and answers key. Now chapter 6, p block group 13 elements, the boron family, overview, and then theories and illustrations, the concept application exercise. Okay, and then again some theories and illustrations, concept application exercise, solve examples, exercise, archives, and the answers key completed. Okay, right here in the case of this chapter also. Here's the basic structure, you can say, for every chapter. Okay, now chapter 7, p block group 14 elements, the carbon family, overview. Now I'm just turning the pages a bit quickly, okay, to just overview of the book. Okay, you can see right here. Now right here is completed, and then solution section, as I told you before, that you can find the solutions of those concept application exercises and the exercise and the archives right here in the solution section. It's also chapter wise divided. Okay, chapter wise solutions you can see right here. I'm just turning the pages again, and you can see chapter 2, then chapter 3, chapter 4, then chapter 5, then chapter 6, then chapter 7, then appendix 1. Okay, chapter wise of JEE 2019 questions is chapter wise of, as I as written right here, is chapter wise right here. You can see for questions from chapter 1, from chapter 2. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7, and the answers key. Okay, now appendix 2, chapter wise of JEE in January 2020 questions, 6 sets. Okay, here you can see, and then appendix 3, JEE advanced 2019 solved questions. Okay, you can see right the answers, and right here a periodic table. Okay, here you can see right here at the end of the book. Okay, now let's talk about, the book is now completed, and now let's talk about the DPP. Okay, so here's the DPP. You can see chapter wise, topic wise daily practice problems, DPP in organic chemistry part 1, JEE main and advanced. Okay, practice concept and improve your grip on problem solving skills. Chapter order in the DPP may not match with that chapter order in the book, authored by Seema Saini. Also from Cengage. Okay, right here the contents you can see right here. Chapter 1, periodic classification of elements and general inorganic chemistry. Chapter 2, chemical bonding and molecular structure. Chapter 3, hydrogen, water, and hydrogen peroxide. Chapter 4 is block group 1, alkali metals. Okay, now chapter 5 is block group 2, alkaline earth metals. Now chapter 6, p block group 13, the boron family, and chapter 7, p block group 14, the carbon family, and the solutions. Okay, you can find several DPPs in just every chapter. Okay, each chapter. Now chapter 1, periodic classification of elements and general inorganic chemistry, DPP 1.1, periodic table and classification of element. Here you can see the several types of questions in these DPPs. Okay, now the first is, here you can see the subjective type question. Here is also single correct answer type questions, then multiple correct answers type questions, matching column type questions, integer type questions, comprehension type question. Now the answers key. Here's the DPP 1.2. I'm just turning the pages to show you I'm just giving you the overview of this DPP. Okay, now DPP 1.3, ionization energy. Now DPP 1.4, electron gain enthalpy. Now DPP 1.5. Then chapter 2, chemical bonding and molecular structure. DPP 2.1, lattice energy, ionic, covalent, and coordinate bond. Here's also subjective type questions, single correct answer type questions, multiple correct answers type questions, matching column type questions, integer type questions, and comprehension type questions. Okay. And the answers. DPP 2.2, 2.3, then 2.4, and then 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8. Then chapter 3, hydrogen, water, and hydrogen peroxide. DPP 3.1, hydrogen. DPP 3.2, water. DPP 3.3, hydrogen peroxide. Okay. Now chapter 4, S block group 1, alkali metals. Okay. DPP 4.1, and then DPP 4.2. Then chapter 5, S block group 2, alkaline earth metals. DPP 5.1, DPP 5.2. Then chapter 6, P block group 13, the boron family. DPP 6.1. And now here's the DPP 6.2. Now chapter 7, P block group 14, the carbon family. DPP 7.1, general characteristics, physical and chemical properties. Then DPP 7.2, and then the solution section. Right here you can find the solutions of the subjective questions as well as the single correct answer type questions and multiple correct answers type questions. Then matching column type questions, integer type questions, comprehension type questions also. Okay. Now here's the solution of DPP 1.2. I'm just turning the pages. You can see clearly right here. Now chapter 2. Now right here chapter 3, and right here chapter 4, and chapter 5, 6, and right here chapter 7. That's it. It's also completed. Okay, so here we have the book and this DPP. Okay, so let's talk about the book and the DPP for the JEE Advanced perspective. So there's lots of questions like the other Cengage books. Okay, all of the Cengage books have lots of questions for practice for in the solved examples, in the illustrations, and also in the exercise. Okay, so whenever you're practicing those problems, you're just improving your just skills to solve the problems, and it will help you in the exam. Okay, in the JEE Advanced or JEE Main exam. Okay. Now, if you want to buy this book, I have given the link in the description. You can buy through the link, and also I've given the link in the comment box, pinned comment. Okay, you can also buy this book through the link. Okay, now this book is really great for the advanced perspective. All of these Cengage books are really great for the advanced perspective. Okay, and sometimes students often just don't like this inorganic chemistry. Maybe like me, but believe me, sometimes you may not like this chapter, but this chapter, this topic, you can say, it's not really a bad thing. Okay, just you have to just learn some things, and just have to know some things, and just have to memorize some things also. And that's it. Whenever you're practicing those questions, and that will easily, you can improve your skill sets. Okay, just solving those problems. Okay, now that's it. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel, because we upload study related videos like book review, notebook review, study blogs, study with me videos, and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Oh, by the way, if you have any questions, doubts, suggestions, you can comment below right here. Okay, and if you like this video, also share this video with your JS friend, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.